so don't
And it's freaking open.
And the taxi I cut left with.
Oh my god, oh my gosh.
Why?
Oh, okay.
Oh wow.
Alright.
Okay. This is scary.
Okay. But get content my ass. Content my ass. That's legit getting a bite.
So why anybody answering? Hola!
Hello?
Hello? Assist.
So Richie and the dog them not nothing, but somebody was a wimp over there so ball the whole time.
I don't know, no.
Yes.
Not like that. No.
Being an entire win, but everything is cool so far. Okay. Whew.
Right.
Hey, so yeah, I don't even know. I take one like a 2-hour nap a while ago. I'm super tired. But I'm hungry now. You ever sleep so till you feel hungry in your stomach and it wake you up? So now there are scotches inside I guess some army bag. And here I get some food. No pork though because Rebel Salute is our later.
No, say one Rasta man takes me already to my black house.
So from okay, yeah, take care. Alright, so I'm gonna hide your face now. Yeah, so what you say now?
Yeah, but Ballet never sticks me to my black house and a Rasta man he take me to that.
So from them time there, you just say no more ballet, do you
Yes,
think?
from them time they me a black out till now.
Oh wow, and how long you there with the Rasta? What you there with now?
9 years.
And
I'm
you know,
married actually.
oh, you're married.
Yeah, I'm my face it there.
Okay, and if one of us separate, it
Rasta
not
again, bury your
Jesus
Christ.
Christ. Oh wow. So what was you got Rebel Salute now?
Tomorrow.
Okay.
Today and tomorrow. Yeah.
And you carry your person. So what I mean if another Rasta step to you?
I step to him too. Me I see you know fancy go big. Yeah. I'm not belly go. You can be fancy cat. Me I see I'm cute. No. Yeah.
What's up, burritos? Welcome to a brand new Do Road with Dutty. So last time you saw me at Shaggy and Friends 2018, but this time I'm actually in St. Ann at Rebel Salute 2018. It's Friday night, the first night, so them have people like Davil, them have people like Chevron, them have people like Anthony B, like Anthony Cruz. So let's just see what the night has to offer. Alright, Do Road with Dutty.
I'm just living out my fantasy.
You take off the next one.
It's just to provide
move us until we say, Kartel, a striptease and one. Take it off. Now,
well, it stops here.
Okay, fine. Now, before you go, just one inquiry. This is your daughter?
She certainly is. On you? Last time I checked it.
Biological.
It's
difficult for us to believe that this is
Today's
your
our birthday.
daughter.
24 today.
21? You're growing backwards.
9.
18 minus. Oh my God, look at Eve. Look at Jamaica's Eve. You see what I said about the Garden of Eden? Let's give it up for JC Lunch. Wow! Incredible talent.
No, it's not okay. Live. It's little OG. I said little OG, so they give me some kind of jerk on. This one sweet and sour next to it. I'm gonna try. That's soft. That's soft. Hot. But it's actually kind of nice to do. If I mean in Butterberry, you pull me
Yeah.
Lighthouse for me. He shakes the lighthouse for me. Just shining lighthouse for me. He shakes the lighthouse for me. With the songs and lights around me, and somebody sing to drown. Shining lighthouse for me. I know that God has a day. Each night I go to my bed. Alright, so I'm going through the crowd at Rebel Salute this Friday, and I book up this brother that said him is a fan, him is a burrito. What's your name? Noel White. Are you from Miami? From Florida, Tamarack. Okay, so what brings you out to Rebel Salute tonight? First, I'm retired now. Retired college professor. Okay. So nice. I come home for the first time. I don't have no school, so you're free to enjoy yourself. Okay, but I'm a fan of yours and you count down every the YouTube thing. So why you enjoy? Why do you normally watch YouTube videos, and why do you find my videos interesting? Because the language, the box cover, also too, it's real. Yeah. I mean, very real. Yeah, I mean the whole time thing. I'm from Buffalo. Yeah, okay. I went to Pitchville. Oh, awesome. Yeah. I love Portland. Yeah, beautiful. So it's a real thing. So when you say box cover and thing there, you know what I mean? Yeah. So could you look at the camera and say box cover? Let me hear your best box cover. 1, 2, 3. Box cover! Alright.
John never let us down. John never let none of us down.
The mic, please.
Yeah. So all the beautiful ladies.
Alright, so now we're there with this brother called Ricardo. Ricardo, what brings you here?
Rebel Salute, always somewhere that you need to be. So that's why I'm here.
Alright, so we thought about JC Lodge performance just now.
Excellent performance.
Hey there, sing, you're a big fan.
Yeah, man.
And what do you think about
the telephone love thing? I something you're glistening, you're great. Yeah, everybody know I like a part there.
I think now she should do a remix called WhatsApp Love.
You know, I think you should, yeah.
Yeah.
I think she should.
Alright, so is your friend that's over there, so?
Yeah, this is Shelly.
Alright, so I want you borrow, Shelly, borrow our flag. Alright, so now I know you there is a Rasta show this. So I want you to give like your best Rasta man, flag man, sort of impression. So I want to see like if Taurus Riley, keep it on dip on stage, that wave the flag. Go!
People there, so we can't do it too.
You can't carry it down someone. Yeah. Alright, okay. Alright. You have the energy, man. You have the energy.
I saw you go.
Alright, bless. Alright, so I walk through, I don't know which section it is, looking at them different booths them. And I walk up this girl from London. What's your name? Raquel? Alright, you have to talk a bit loud because the music came out. So say hi, big up all the people in London.
Dari, Caleb, Joel, F5, love you all. Bishop John Francis, my bishop. Greetings from England.
Greetings across the world.
And this beautiful woman here.
That is hiding.
Now shining to the world.
So you watch my videos when you're in London?
I do.
Okay, I never know people know me over there.
Yes.
Oh, that's cool, I really am.
He's famous.
You can say a box cover for me? A box cover.
Amazing.
My word, my sentence, my paragraph. But I want you to say box cover. Looking at the camera, I say box cover.
Box cover.
Nice.
The only songlings of you.
Sing it. Alright, see you in a north out.
That's too low. The way we are going, it won't be low before you start running. That's why I said lose. You're gonna lose. Hey.
Cowan and the daddy. You think say this right? Have a one girl and I call her wife. I just can't bother with the mother. Girl business for me, catch a disease and lose all my life. What a question to a father. Well, you never say old dog like me. You have to advise me with the son. You know the son. So as you come on stage and you invade my space, let me tell you something new. I'm gonna let you know. Listen to me good. As a youth, you must keep yourself under control. The half has not yet been told. You must be able to play a man role, cause the post always rotten well in the post hole. So, well, my name is Avatar. Catch me live tomorrow. I'm making yes, nice case, you know what we want. Serious with my thing, they not fail. But the work what we are doing, them can't play. No matter how life flourish. Fixing how we on the way, what we are doing. Because the reaction is a reaction. Anything but positive. We have a nation of young, we are real man, but I can't. Because I'm just a I don't work for them places.
Well, that's it, Burritos. The first stage Friday of Rebel Salute 2018. I hope you enjoy. I chat to some people, chat to some of the performers them. And I can't wait for Saturday performers them. I'm sure it's going to be fun. Make sure that you like it, comment, and share. And well, leave a comment as well. And if not, make sure you say subscribe. All right, The Road with Dutty, Rebel Salute 2018.